And now we're going to add 2 more jump rings onto either end of the chain, and we're also going to add on the lobster clasp. Take the jump ring and repeat the same process as I was explaining before. Two pairs of pliers, back and forth. And now you add your lobster clasp onto the jump ring through the little hole at the end of the clasp. And once again, close your jump ring with 2 pairs of pliers. And this is our necklace before we insert the crystals. Here I've used a lobster clasp, which is the most popular form of clasp. It's operated using a spring. You just push the lever down and it opens up like this, but of course there are many different types of clasps that you can use, ranging from incredibly elegant crystal encrusted clasps to simpler hook and eye clasps or magnetic clasps for people who don't like operating clasps at all. But on a simple chain like this, it's advisable to use something small and inconspicuous.